I guess we have happy animals.
Yeah. Yeah, our animals are happy. They have a lot of space to run around and root around, and I feel like I take special care of them, and I do spend a lot more time with them, I think, than what they would get in a confinement building.
Organic prairie piglets are raised outdoors on pasture by their mothers when the weather permits. A small house suitable for one family is provided for each sow. Piglets reside on pasture with their mothers for at least 6 weeks. The pigs are free to root, graze, and enjoy mud wallows. Pasture access is important as it allows the pigs the opportunity to express their natural, instinctual behaviors.
These pigs get to experience what it means to be a pig. They know how to enjoy themselves. They like to taste things. They like to sample greens. They like to sample pumpkin seeds. They like to stick their noses into the dirt and root around. And pigs in confinement don't really get that experience anymore.
Mud wallows are important for the pig's comfort, as they do not have sweat glands and are prone to sunburn. The mud helps keep them cool during hot weather and also protects them from the sun. Sows normally give birth to 10 babies at a time. Organic prairie sows enjoy eating 100% organic red clover, white clover, alfalfa, and many different types of grasses and weeds.
This pumpkin that these pigs are eating is called Connecticut field pumpkin, and it was originally bred for livestock feed. And you can see livestock can figure that out pretty easy. See that little guy, he's going for the seed. He just ate a seed. He's got it figured out.
Organic prairie farmers further provide 100% organic grains depending on nutritional needs. During winter weather, when pigs need protection from the elements, they have at least 16 square feet per animal, and sows with piglets have at least 48 square feet per family. All pig shelters have deep straw bedding. During the winter season, sows enjoy dry hay and grain as needed to meet their energy and nutritional requirements.